Hello, this is Clone Sniper 117 reporting from a big storm that hit my county.
You're gonna get cased in the face.
And there's some damage. Backyard, neighbors.
Not some damage, a lot of damage.
Okay, a lot of damage. All the schools got closed. All the shingles of people's...
Mine didn't.
Thousands killed.
Yeah. We got shingles taken off roofs. Our basketball...
Yeah, right there.
Our basketball hoop, we had to tip over. Other basketball hoops did not make it.
We tipped those basketball hoops.
And let's check out the backyard damage. Oh, my sister's playhouse, yeah. Right there. It was up there. And my other neighbors, their fence got blown open. My sister's not going to be happy. She got this for Christmas one year. Some other neighbors, this is just horrible. We'll be fine. Send us money. Please send us money. JK.